Hi everyone, today we are going through Microsoft Excel and I'll just start with an exercise here and then let us look on it. Microsoft Excel practice exercise, MS is Microsoft Excel practical exam. So Wanyororo Dairy Limited has now gone IT. Farmers are paid monthly dues per the liters they bring to the dairy. Create a worksheet which will illustrate the following total liters per each month in the first quarter of the year 2005. So we have a table here. What I'll have to do is just highlight it and copy. Then right click. Then copy. Then I'll come here to Microsoft Excel. I click blank. So I just right click here and then click paste. Or I can hold Control then V. Control V is also an option for paste. So from there, my table is ready. Is here. You can continue using it. Let us go to the questions and then start solving them. So required, number one, calculate the total for each farmer and the total for each month. So what you have to do when doing the total, I just come here. They have said total for each farmer and also total for each month. So total, the formula for total is equal. You start by equal sign, then sum, then open the brackets. From there we highlight from 150 to 200. Then you can just press enter. From there, when you find one answer in Microsoft Excel, you can drag to solve the rest. As you can see, we've gotten all the answers. So from there, we can do total for each month. First of all, we start by heading total. Then, using the same formula, equals sum. Open the brackets, we highlight from 150 to 251, then enter. In this case, we'll drag only up to the month of April because they have just said for the 4 months. So it's January, February, March, and April. Number two, let us go back to the questions and get by getting the month with the highest and lowest deliveries of milk. So highest, you just come here and apply the formula. First of all, type the heading. We are doing highest. Then formula for highest equals, then marks. We open the brackets. Then we let from 150 to 251. Enter. From there, we drag that corner. From highest, we also need to do the lowest. Then formula for lowest equals then mean. We open the brackets, then highlight from 150 to 251. Enter. It has given us the list or the lowest. From there, number three, they have said they have asked get the average monthly production and average production for each farmer. So average has another name called mean. So we are doing average for each farmer and also for each month. First of all, you start by typing the heading average. Then formula for average equals average. Then open the brackets. From there, we highlight from 150 to 200, then enter, then drag. Also, we need to do average for each month. So first of all, heading average, then formula for average equals average. Open the brackets, highlight from 150 to 251, then enter. Then from there, we drag to the month of April. Let us continue to number 4. Number 4 is asking, calculate the total amount of money the farmer got given that a liter was going for 9 shilling and 50 cents. So what we need to do here is create a column, give it a name, total amount. So for us to enlarge this column, you have to look on the letter that is should be having this title called total amount. Then we click here, we move cursor to the center. Maybe we want it to be on a straight line, so we have to drag like that. Then as you can see, we have total amount in one line. From there, just click here. So they have just asked calculate the total amount of money, given that a liter was going for 9 shilling and 50 cent. So we'll start by equal sign. Then you already have the total liters. So click 690 times shift 8, hold shift, then 8, then 9 shilling, 9.50, 9 shilling and 50 cent, like that. Then you press enter on the keyboard. Then from there we can drag to get the results of the rests. Then number 5, use if function to calculate the total deductions, given that those farmers with liters greater or equal to 1200, then 10% is deducted from the total amount. Those with less than 1200 liters, 5% is deducted from the total amount. So in the formula, we're just going to apply the formula called if function. You start by equals if, open the brackets, if the total we have, click it, is greater or equal to 1200, a comma, then shift quotation, 10%, shift quotation, comma, that's the first condition. Then the second condition, if, open the bracket, you click total, which is 690, is less or equal to 1200, comma, then quotation, 5% will be deducted. Then we close with 2 brackets, 1, 2, because we started with the we opened with we also with 2 brackets here in if, and also in the second if. So when we press enter, it will give us the results, which is 5%. Next number is number 6. Use conditional formatting to show with red color, bold and double underline those farmers with liters between 200 and 300 for the 4 months. So what you have to do is just go here, then highlight the months. Maybe you can start from January to April, then to the row of June. Then we click menu bar of form, then here conditional formatting, highlight the rules, then we click between. From there we write here 200, on the other side 300. Then we click here custom format, then bold, color red, as if you just place the cursor here, there you just see showing you colors, yellow. So we need only red. Then we click here, we select double, then from there we click OK again. Okay, it is done. So conditional formatting with between 200 and 300. Next number 7, plot a column chart to show the farmer's name and total liters. Place the chart in sheet 2 and rename it Wanyororo chart. So in this case, they want us to apply, they only need a chart that indicates only 2 columns, 1 farmer's name, 2 total liters. So what you need to do is just start inside this box of farmer's name, you drag up to John, then from there hold control, then you drag from total liters to 1159. Then from there we click insert, then this icon here, you click it, more option, then more column charts. Then you click OK. From there we already have the chart, including the farmer's name and also total liters. So from there we'll come here when you see this plus, it is okay, it enables you to select the whole chart. So we can right click and click cut. From there, the questions asks us to move it to a new sheet. So we just click here. You have a plus for new sheet. So we click here, then right click anywhere inside any box. Then you click the first pastes. Then under sheet 2, we right click, we click rename. They have said we give it name Wanyororo chart. So we just type Wanyororo chart. Enter. Then from there it is done. We continue the questions. Number 8, insert a column to show the total amount of deductions and call it net amount and calculate. So first of all, we start by applying a heading here and give it the name net amount. So for the name to move to the next line in Microsoft Excel, you have to hold Alt, then enter. Net amount. Then its formula, they have said result by equal sign. Total amount here is 6555 after deductions minus deduction was either 5% or 10%. So I click 5% because it is the first one, then press enter. Just like that, then click the answer on this corner plus, then you drag. Next question, number 9, put an inside and outside border with the color of your choice. So we need to apply the borders in our table, but not only borders, but also we can apply color of our own choice. So I just need to highlight the whole worksheet. Then from there, I just come here. We have bold, we have italize, we have underline, and also we have this icon, the square icon. So I'll click a more option of this icon, then we go to the last option, which is more borders. Then I just start by selecting color. Maybe I want the borders to have color dark blue. I click here, then I command it outline and also inside. Then when I click OK, our worksheet has the dark blue color. From there, I continue. Next is number 10. Plot a line graph to show the farmer's deliveries for the 4 months. Place the chart as a new chart and format it as follows: legend field color green, title font color blue, orientation 30 degrees, and chart area field color yellow. So I'll just come to my sheet here, then highlight from farmer's name to John, then click insert to this icon again, then more column charts. In this case they have said line, so I'll just click here line, then OK. Right click here, I click cut, then I click to this new tab as instructed. I right click, I paste here. So in the new tab, they have in the new sheet they have said we give it name new sheet, rename new. Let us confirm again as a new chart. Yeah, please it as a new chart. So new chart, enter. Then they have said legend field color green, so the legend part is here. Even if you can move mouse there and give it some time, it will bring you the name of the part of that part. So I just click here, then right click, I click format legend. So we have a dialog box popping. It has opened on the right side. I'll click the bucket, then fill, then solid fill. Solid fill color green, then title font. Title is here. Font is the handwriting, the name, color of the text. So I just click here, then apply blue color. As you can see, this is the blue. Then orient to 30 degrees. I'll just click here, then apply 30. Then from there, chart area, fill color yellow. Chart area is this part. I click here, then bucket, then solid fill, this bucket, then yellow color. Then I'm done that question. Move to our sheet again. So the question number 11, put the column for the total amount to be in $, United States with 1,000 separators. So I just come here to my Excel again. The column for total amount is here to be the column to be in $ of United States. So I just click inside the letter. Then when I click it, I right click, I click format cells. Then from there, I just click here to number, then about money, currency, then motion of symbol, then I apply $ United States. Then from there, I click OK. As you can see, the $ have been applied in the column. The last question, orient of the month to an angle of 45 degrees. So basically, orientation is only done in on the headings only, because if it's applied in the whole worksheet, it will affect even the text. So I'll just highlight the headings only from January to February, the 4 months. Then I right click, I click format cells, then alignment, then here 45, then OK. As you can see, we are done. So today I'll stop there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly make sure you subscribe so that you get notified every time I upload a new video or a new tutorial. Thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe.